I'll show you how to create this paper look scene. Let's create a plane. Tab, go to Edit Mode, right-click and S to subdivide it 15 times. S to scale. Shift, D to duplicate. R, X, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X-axis. In Edit Mode, let's randomize. I'll add a teapot and randomize it as well. If you don't see the teapot, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. I'll use the sky texture. Please feel free to use any settings that would make the best looking render image. I'll subdivide the ground mesh once again, and randomize it. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.